Looking for the best pastry cutters? In this video we look at some of the top 3 pastry cutters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Spring Chef Dough Blender Top Professional Pastry Cutter. Pros: sturdy and durable with thick rubber handle. Extra thick metal blades. Mixes butter quickly and uniformly. Heavy duty without being heavy. Great construction. Easily blends in even frozen butter. Dishwasher safe. Cons: the handle is a bit small for comfortable use. Bottom line: this pastry cutter evenly blends even frozen butter into your dough, however, it's most comfortable for smaller hands. At number 2. Norpro Grip-EZ Pastry Ravioli Wheel. Pros: makes cutting shapes fast and easy. Stainless steel cutting blades. Double-headed, with a fluted wheel and flat wheel. Good for lattice designs and puff pastries. Santoprene handle provides comfortable non-slip grip. Works for right or left hand use. Cons: straight cuts may require a steady hand or measuring mat. Bottom line: this pastry cutter wheel gives you options for cutting both straight lines and fancy fluted edges. At number 1. SUMO Heavy Duty Pastry Cutter. Pros: handle contours to your hand, creating maximum comfort. Mixes pastry quickly and effectively. Entire product is dishwasher safe and cleans up easily. Blue, red, green, or purple color options. Cons: in a few cases, users felt like the handle was too large for their hands. Bottom line: with an ergonomic and easy to clean design, this cutter has a lot to love. The grip works great for right or left-handed users. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.